It's moving week! You guys, finally. Okay, so here's the plan. We get the keys to our townhouse tomorrow, which is Saturday, the 12th. But my lease here at my apartment doesn't end till the 23rd. So I have like 2 weeks to technically move everything, like get everything out of here, which I'm kind of glad we're doing like a slow move and not like a move in one day, frantically type of move. So our plan for tomorrow is just to basically move all of our downstairs stuff. So like kitchen, living room, etc. And we have a bunch of furniture in a storage unit right now. And then like our couch and bed are being delivered tomorrow as well. And then over the next 2 weeks, I'll just like slowly move all of my stuff there. So, oh, I'm so excited. Finally. We've literally had this townhouse like locked in since February and it's May now. So I've just been counting down the days and it's finally here. I'm so excited. I honestly cannot wait to get out of here. Like it was nice while it lasted at this apartment. I moved in here at the beginning of 2023 and then they got new management last year and it's just been a complete shit show since then. Like the parking garage door was broken. There was like people sleeping in cars on the first floor and like homeless people just sleeping in the parking garage. My packages would get stolen like all the time. We had issues with our water heater and like, yeah, I just like never talk about this stuff, but it's honestly been so frustrating and annoying. So I'm just so happy to get out of here. Anyways, my roommate and I just decided to not re-sign the lease this year and Zach and I decided it was finally time to move in together. So here we are. I can't wait to show you guys everything and take you along. I already did an empty house tour video. If you guys missed that, I'll link it in the description as well. But I can't wait to show you guys more and everything that we've bought for the house already and like take you guys along for decorating and just like all of the above. So let's get to it. Today I'm just packing like a little bit at a time. I already took like a bunch of my winter clothes to the storage unit. So like all of those are there, but basically my whole room is still intact and I have to pack like everything still. So I was just gonna like do a little bit today and just fit whatever I can in my car to take tomorrow. Probably just clothes because I have so many clothes. It's honestly ridiculous. It's making me realize like, girl, you need to get rid of some clothes. So I'm honestly just throwing everything in trash bags. And then when I get there, I'm just gonna do like a whole closet organization video and like go through everything, try everything on and get rid of stuff. I honestly loved this room, but I feel like I'm just growing out of it. Like it's really not too much space. Like there's not a whole lot of storage for like the stuff that I have. So I'm just excited to have more space in the new house. Anyways, there's lots to do. So let's just start packing. Help. I fear I'm making more of a mess. I was supposed to be there at 8:30 and it's 8:40. Oopsie. But it's okay, we're just loading the truck first. We don't have to be there at the house till 10:30 is when we're getting the keys, so yeah, I'm so excited! Oh. Yippee! Our couch delivery's already here. They were waiting for us when we got here. They're supposed to come at 11.
I think that like make it easily even like okay.
You like it?
Love it. So comfy.
They just delivered the bedroom furniture and we're gonna go look at it. Here we go. It looks so beige and boring in here, but mattress is coming on Tuesday, don't worry. It's so nice. Oh. First Gritty in the new house.
Here's Adrienne in the office. It's all decorated and ready to go.
Psych! Guys, these are only my winter clothes. I have a lot of clothes. Instructions. All done.
Put it in the corner.
Aww. I love it.
It's ours.
Ah, it's so cute. We got one of these cat clocks. Kit Kat clock. Kit Kat clock. Kit Kat clock. They're so cute. They're like the Russian dolls. Oh, this is for my office. For photo cards. And then we got this Pantone vase. Pops are red. And then we got... never mind, that's heavy. Magazine rack. That matches! And we got our towels. More towels. These are just cute. These are gonna look so good in there. And then our really cool calendar. You like slide it for the day, the month. Oh, the day of the week, the month, and then the day. Cool. We're back. This thing is ridiculous. Oh, I feel like it's gonna look so good. I'm picturing it.
Can we do my side first? It's okay if you get glue on this, you're gonna be able to see. Just like that.
We just come back tomorrow and it's just falling apart. Guys, look at my chef Hello Kitty. She's so cute. She's gonna guard our kitchen. Okay, it's coming together. All done. It looks so cool. Wow. Okay, day 2, we're back, and our TV stand's done. Everybody say thank you, Pookie, for building the TV stand basically all by yourself. It looks so good. What an amazing job he did. And here's our bookshelf. I feel like you can see it better in the light now.
Simmer shaman.
Simmer shaman. Get out! We're delirious right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wow. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not that white though. It's like so yellow. Shoot. Also, like, is it too small?
It's also not, it's not even like white at all.
Shoot! Building the coffee table instead. After literally an hour of trying to find Goo Gone, here's our coffee table. I don't know how I feel about it.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, something's like off. I just feel like the shape doesn't fit well in here. We also need a rug still because the other one didn't work out.
I was saying maybe the square table.
Yeah, maybe the square would be better. So we might sell that, but we're undecided. It's my last full day at my apartment. Why am I getting emotional? My closet is pretty much empty, so that's good. I saved this corner for last because I'm so sad to take it down, but here we go. I'm sad! I'm emo. Oh my god. Crazy. Actually, it didn't take me that long, but I'm just sad. Hey vloggy, long time no see. I don't even remember when the last time I vlogged was, but here's our new rug. And here's our new coffee table that Zakider's gonna build because we don't like the other one. Oopsies. Oh, and we're making Reese's Pieces cookies. 1 more minute. Oh, we got a new TV today too. It's so nice. That thing's massive.
Silver pieces.
Oh, okay.
Adjust.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass.
Oh boy. I actually put my thumb. I don't think they're done if it did that. Maybe they need to sit for like.
Yeah.
I fucking smashed it with my thumb. Not the most aesthetically pleasing. Oopsie. I'll let you know how that tastes.
Cheers.
moved.
I think you could have cooked him less.
I think so too. Cookie police over here. Look who's here now. They're so sweet. Say hi. Alright guys, it's time to wrap up this vlog. I just wanted to show you guys our progress on the house. It obviously still needs a lot of work. Decorating a whole entire house is not easy, so it's gonna be a process, but I feel like we made some pretty good progress. Also, Carl's here now. We moved him in a few days ago, and he's pretty much adjusted now. He hid under the bed for like 2 days, but he's all comfy now, so I'll just flash back to those clips really quick so you guys can see him moving in. He was so cute.
It's okay, dude.
So on his way to his new house. Hi, Gooby.
Come on.
Come on, come on.
It's your tree.
Hi.
Where are we?
You go explore? So brave. No, I knew it. You went under.
That's okay.
I knew he was gonna go under there. You gonna stay there? Gooby, it's okay. He'll come out. Anyways, he's all good now. I feel like he loves it here. Anyways, I'm gonna feed him really quick and then show you guys the progress on the house, and then we'll wrap up this vlog. Okay, here's what we got going on. It's kind of a vibe at night. We got these orange chairs from IKEA, and originally we wanted like one there and one there, but for some reason it just felt like too much. We honestly might return them. I just can't tell if I like them. So let me know your thoughts. But I think we made decent progress. Here's the couch. We also got some side tables. I feel like they're like the perfect size. Here's the other one. Super cutie. Coffee table looks good. Love our bookshelf. Love the TV stand. Love all of our IKEA lamps. Here's the kitchen. Not sure if you can see. Need some more pictures on here for sure, and some cute magnets. But I think it looks pretty cute. This side still needs some work. But here's our IKEA shelf. Needs pictures in the frames, obviously. Here's us as Legos. Wow. We've come a long way for only being here like 2 weeks, so still have a lot of work to do. Definitely gonna hang stuff on the walls. Kind of want like a shelf there maybe instead of the chair, but we will see. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to show you guys more progress on the house as we continue to decorate more. Stay tuned for a closet clean out coming soon and an office makeover coming soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!